Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a science experiment with different layers of colored water. Before we start, have you guys subscribed to my channel yet? Bing bong! If you have, that's great. If you haven't, do it now! Hit that button and press that little notifications bell to see more of my videos as soon as they come out. Keep watching today's video to see a cool experiment. Don't go anywhere. Guys, now here's what you need for this experiment. Cup of water, 3 empty glasses, different colored food colorings, and some sugar, like a jar of sugar. A cup of water, some sugar, 3 empty cups, and 3 pieces of food colorings. Ooh! Now let's put the sugar in the glasses. This needs 1 spoon of sugar. This is 2 spoons of sugar, and this is 3 spoons of sugar. Now add the water to all the glasses and stir it. So keep stirring until the water is clear, and then add the food coloring. Now let's add the food colorings. But wait guys, wait. Because there is a tissue, I don't want to make a wet mess, guys. Means there's a tissue nearby, so if I make a mess, I can rub it out. So we'll put this. I touched it. Ew, guys, that looks like black, doesn't it? So, this is in the middle. Wait, stir it. So it's green! I was wrong, I thought it was black. It's done. Put this here. This smells nice. And also will look nice. I suppose. Looks like red. I think it's pink. Stirring red or pink. So when you take it out, it looks like pink. So this, when you take it out, it's actually looking like red, guys. Now the third. color is this. Smells quite funny. A few drops. Done. Guys, now here comes the hard part. Guys, if you are a young child, ask an adult to help you with that. Because here's the hard part. We're putting the second heaviest on the heaviest, third heaviest, and then the lightest goes on the second heaviest, then third heaviest. Wow. Yay! Oh, yay! Guys, when you are done with the second color, grab the pipette and move on to the next color. So guys, the yellow and the orange were very hard to see with the green, so we had to change top color to this color, green. Snap. See guys, it's harder to see. Cool, right? Guys, you have to be careful when we're doing this. And now we're finished. After tiny bit. If we turn the light on, then we'll be able to see 3 different types of layers. We make a mistake that if we mix the color yellow with orange together, we will not be able to see the yellow because the colors are too similar. That's why we changed to green. And that's what science is all about. Experimenting with different things. We can put the yellow on top of the green now, but we'll save that for another day. Parents, try this at home with your kids. Grab any colors you like. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below. Bye guys.